Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is C. Michelle and I'm so happy that you joined me today. But before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Follow me on Instagram at C. Michelle Styles so you can join the conversation and we can stay connected with one another. The link will be below in the description box. So in case you haven't read the title of this video, I am going to be talking about how I cleared my acne. And if you notice anything that's different on me, well, besides I'm wearing my hair natural, but I don't have on any makeup. I don't have on any foundation, concealer, contour, highlight, any of that. I do have on a brow, a lip, and mascara. That's it. I wanted to have a little something on camera today, but it was really important for me to show you guys the true essence of my skin. Let's jump right into it. I started to experience adult acne, and at the time I was living in California, I tried everything possible to clear my skin. I went vegan. I worked out pretty much every day, at least 5 days a week. No processed sugars. I ate nothing that came in a box, bag, or can. Nothing. I did the elimination method. I eliminated everything because at that time when I was in California, I hadn't quite got myself too acclimated, so I didn't know of any dermatologists yet. I was trying to find doctors and this and that and get myself in order, as most people would when they first moved to a place. Most people have said to me it could have been the water there, you're not used to it, the environment, the pollution. I'm not sure if my acne was environmental or not, I don't know, but I didn't get it on my body besides my face. So I thought, okay, so maybe it's not the water, maybe it's not the environment, maybe it's just something I'm eating. So that's why I did the elimination process. So in case you want to see what my acne looked like prior, I will insert some pictures here. You guys, that when I look at those pictures, it drives me crazy because I didn't even realize how bad my acne was. Because you don't really see yourself when you see yourself. When I look back at it now, I had true adult acne. Like, it was really, really bad, and it made me feel self-conscious, and I didn't understand. I didn't have acne prior to moving that badly. So, I mean, each area here, acne here, my whole entire forehead, acne, everywhere I had acne, all of my cheeks. I was even making my own concoctions out of fruits and oils and just different things. And then I realized I was doing too much, and I was talking to my mom about it because I was just so frustrated. And she said, girl, just stop doing everything. Stop making your concoctions. Stop doing these scrubs. Stop doing this. Stop doing that. Go back old school like people used to do and use soap and water. And I said, okay. And once I started doing that, I noticed a major difference. And also, another thing I noticed that made a major difference was this. Black seed oil. Screen capture. So, long and short, I was doing research after research after research. I just looked up what's a good oil for oily skin types to lock in as a moisturizer, and that's how I came across a website. She had a post where she was talking about the difference between oleic and linoleic acids. So she was describing when you need an oleic acid and when you need a linoleic acid. Now, mind you guys, I don't think she claims to be a dermatologist or a doctor. I certainly don't either. I'm just telling you what I did that worked. Okay, you guys, I just found the website. It's called minimalistbeauty.com. She really breaks down the differences of the oils. So I'll read you this from the blog post. When our skin is deficient in linoleic acid, our skin's natural sebum becomes thick and sticky, which clogs pores and creates acne. And I thought that was really interesting because I always thought that since my skin was oily or combination oily, that I was getting enough, that my skin was moisturized, and I'm like, oh, okay, well, that can be it. But that, to me, obviously was it. I realized that I could not use oleic acids because, long and short, I'll let you read the blog post. It's for people that have like normal to dry skin. Because I was using things like sea buckthorn oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, flaxseed, tamanu oil, coconut unrefined, and coconut just in general refined. I was realizing like the olive oil didn't really penetrate in my hair, for example. Coconut oil never really penetrated and moisturized my hair. Just lots of different things. So I'm trying all these oils and things that I see other girls are using, and without doing research for myself and seeing like, okay, what works for them doesn't work for me. So after reading this post, I saw that I need something higher in linoleic acid, and black cumin seed oil was one of them. But black seed oil is black cumin seed oil. So I use this one by Amazing Herbs. It's 100% cold pressed, pure black seed oil. And it's perfect. I've used this on my hair and it works, and it moisturizes and penetrates my hair. I use this as my moisturizer. I wash my face with warm water, Dove soap, and put this right on top, and that's what I have on right now. And I put it on my neck also. I even have put it in food because it's good for your body. So this is like an all-around thing that is absolutely fabulous. And I use this one for travel. This one cost me about $7 at a health food store. And this one is the one I used to refill this one. This one was about $25. They're both worth the purchase. I would definitely test out a patch on your skin or consult your dermatologist or whatever you need to do for yourself, your skin. I'm not sure all the medications you may be taking, so I'm just telling you what worked for me. The oil is not thick at all. It's a very thin oil. So I would just drop a little bit on my hands like that, like maybe 2 or 3 drops, depending. And just rub it on your face. I mean, to me, I'm just so happy I can finally not feel all that texture, because I do feel like, oh, I do feel like it helped remove my texture. I really do. And I am just so happy, and I don't mix it with anything. Oh, the smell. This does have a smell. Yes, it does. You will get used to the smell. It does not linger, so you don't have to worry about passing someone and the first thing they'll say is, what's that smell? No, it's not like that at all. Fast forward down the line, after doing those 3 things, warm water, Dove soap, and black seed oil, that I just would wake up in the morning and just splash my face with warm water. Have you guys ever talked to someone and you just ask them what do they do with their skin, and they just say, oh, I just put water on my face. I just maybe rinse it with water in the morning, or you know, I don't do too much. And I realized like people aren't doing too much to their skin. Now, if you're going through puberty, that may be a different story. Your hormones are going crazy. Things are happening in your body internally. I get it. Some people have other type of conditions, but if you've never had any type of condition or anything like that, I mean, I just didn't understand it. I didn't get it. So ever since I started using this, I do not get acne anymore. However, I have noticed slightly, I've gone a couple days without using it. I might see like a little red bump pop up, but it's not a colony like what it used to be. So, or it could be around, you know, my menstrual time. But I will say that this has worked for me. I used it consistently, day and night. Sorry guys, I had to adjust the light. The natural sunlight's coming in and it was making me look washed out. So I used it day and night for about a month before I noticed something. And when I started to notice, I wasn't getting any more acne, except maybe the hormonal one around my period time, And then I just wasn't getting any more acne. Like I don't have any more acne, like anywhere, like nowhere. It's so miraculous to me, and I've been telling everyone about it. I put it in my hair also. It's made my hair look thicker and fuller. I put it around my edges. I just rub a little bit in my temple area where I felt like it was looking thinner. So when I do my hair natural, after I put all my products on it, I put this on right afterwards to lock in all the moisture. I may use like a full squirt and just put it all over. And my hair is doing really well. It has helped fade my dark marks, I think, because again, I only use the black seed oil, water, and Dove soap. That's it. I'm gonna do a close-up. You guys can see the very little hyperpigmentation I have. It has been about a year total of me using this. I have told everyone about it, and I hope that they stay consistent with it, because it's a slow and steady race, but you'll win. if you just keep going and you don't quit. I think I answered all the questions. Please let me know below if I did not, because I really want to be helpful. I really want to be of service. That's what this channel is about, is to share our stories in order to help someone else. This is a channel of resources, so I want to make sure that it's resourceful and this helps. Last but not least, please make sure you guys subscribe to this channel before you go and watch something else on this channel. Make sure that you like this video. Let me know in the comments below what you're doing to clear your acne. If you've tried black seed oil, if you plan to try black seed oil, what are you currently doing to try to heal your acne? And let's try to comment on each other's and help each other in the comments, and really use this as a way to, you know, help other people. Let's help others. Let's encourage. Let's be helpful. Till next time. Adios, besos.